a lawyer. Can I just make up a fake law firm to send a demand letter? My cousin is a lawyer. Can't I just sign her name to a letter? She'll never know. Please, please, please do not do this. Please. These are actual questions I've received, and over the years, I've had more than one person brag to me about impersonating a lawyer to intimidate business rivals, or what's far worse, in my opinion, forging the name of a lawyer, family member, or friend as the signature to a document. Some of you might be shocked that I need to do a video on this, but it's already enough of a problem that I want to address it. And I only imagine it's going to get worse as AI technologies, which can already make you sound passably like a real lawyer to other non-lawyers, and which can create decent-looking phony law firm letterhead instantaneously, continue to improve. To be absolutely clear, whether you are making up a fake law firm or you're forging the name of a real lawyer, it is a crime. It isn't just unethical, it's illegal, and you could face criminal and civil charges for fraud, misrepresentation, and deceptive tactics. The phony law firm is bad enough, but if you're forging the name of a real lawyer, you are putting that person's entire professional reputation at stake. Even the insinuation that they were somehow complicit in your activity could lead to them being investigated, reprimanded, or even threatened with disbarment. So it's not a victimless crime. It's also a crime for which I'd say you have a high likelihood of getting caught. Your business rival or the HOA or your ex or whoever is the recipient of your phony demand letter is going to forward the document to their own attorney. And there's a good chance that the first thing their lawyer is going to do is an internet search for the law firm and the lawyer. This is doubly true if the lawyer senses that there's something off about the letter, either that it was written by AI or by a person trying to sound like a real attorney, and it only takes a couple years of legal practice to develop a sixth sense for this. It won't take long before your deception is discovered, and then you'll be in a far worse position than you'd be in if you had just done nothing. If you can't afford a lawyer and waiting isn't an option, there are alternatives to illegal behavior. First, try legal aid. Search for legal aid services in your area. These services are often low cost rather than free, and there are frequently strict income requirements, so simply being on a tight company budget might not suffice. But if you do qualify, legal aid offers a range of services and can get you a real lawyer's signature on your document. Pro bono. Similarly, some law firms often offer free legal services to qualifying prospective clients. Again, eligibility tends to depend on income and the type of services you need, but you can ask your local bar association to help you find an appropriate match. Community legal clinics. You can sometimes find legal clinics through community organizations, libraries, churches, and law schools, which will provide basic legal services like drafting demand letters and other general legal guidance. When available, this can be a cost-effective option for simple legal matters. Finally, online resources. There's a breadth of information on the internet, but please proceed with caution and only trust legitimate sources. And remember, information can become outdated more quickly than websites can be updated. But guidance from governmental, academic, and legitimate law firm websites can be a useful tool to expand your knowledge basis and to better understand your rights. If you want to use AI or self-help resources online to help you learn how to draft a demand letter or other document, that's okay. As I discuss in other videos, these tools have their flaws and limitations, and I'm generally skeptical, but even I will concede that they can be helpful under certain circumstances. Just sign your own name to anything you create, and don't pretend like you're a lawyer when you're not. Business owners. When you have a legal question or a legal need, but you don't want to or can't afford to spend the money on an attorney, what do?